Excuse me, could you tell me how can I find this address?
Let me have a look. Yes, of course, I know this house.
Oh, I have luck. I can't find it for 2 hours.
Aren't you a native dweller? Have you come here recently?
Yes, I've come on a mission, and I really have to carry out a personal charge.
This house is not far from mine, that's why it's familiar to me. You need take bus number 201.
Will it take a lot of time to get there?
No, only 4 stops. You will get off at Park Avenue stop.
And where shall I do then?
You will be in front of the crossroad. Go straight along the main road for another 2 blocks and then turn to the right.
Shall I cross the road?
No, keep always the right side. Next, you will see a large store. This is a supermarket. By the way, if you need to buy something, you can surely go there. This is the best shop in that area.
Thanks for advice. I will certainly do it.
So, passing by the store, you will see a 2-story grey building. This is the house you need. If I'm not mistaken, the entrance is directly opposite the store.
Thanks a lot. Now I will surely find the address I need.
Not at all. Can I help you with anything else?
Yeah, if you can, just tell me where the nearest pharmacy is.
Are you unwell? Shall I call an ambulance?
No, thank you. You are so kind. I was a little cold yesterday and today I feel sick. I want to buy some pills for the cold.
Of course. There's a very good pharmacy not far from here. You will find there everything you need. Just turn left the corner and go for 1 block. The pharmacy can't be missed. It's a small, colourful building with a beautiful sign on it.
Thank you a lot for the help. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good luck.